Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we're going to see 4 quick, easy, healthy and delicious tiffin recipes for kids which you can prepare with one main ingredient, that is bread. So let's get started. The first tiffin recipe is bread pizza pockets, favorite amongst kids. For that I have taken here 2 to 3 sandwich bread, or according to the quantity you want to make. First we will trim the edges of the bread. You can use here regular white or brown bread also. Next we'll slightly roll the bread slice with the help of a rolling pin. And with the help of a knife, we will divide the bread slice into 4 equal portions. If you are using regular white or brown bread, you don't need to cut them. And now we'll prepare the stuffing for our bread pizza pocket. For that, heat a pan and into it goes a small cube of butter. Let the butter melt completely. And to this I will add some veggies like some chopped onions, red, green and yellow bell peppers diced, and some sweet corns. And on medium flame we will saute them for a while. And now I will quickly season the veggies with a pinch of salt or as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, a pinch of oregano and some chili flakes. Adding chili flakes is optional. Now give this a mix. And our stuffing for our bread pizza pocket is ready. The next step is to apply some pizza sauce on one portion of the bread. Spread this evenly. Then goes the stuffing which we had prepared now. And our bread pizza will be incomplete without cheese. So here goes a small portion of cheese cut from one cheese slice. Now brush some water on the edges. Next, take one more portion of bread and cover it to form a pocket. Gently press the edges with fingertip. And with a fork, I will press in this way so that they are firmly sealed. And similarly, I will prepare some more bread pizza pockets. Next step is to shallow fry the bread pizza pockets. For that, heat some oil in our pan, and when the oil is hot, we will add the prepared bread pizza pockets one by one. And on medium flame, we will fry them until they turn deep golden brown and crisp from both the sides. And by now our bread pizza pockets are ready, so I will take them off. I will cut one bread pizza pocket to show you the inside part. And here is our yummy and cheesy bread pizza pockets with colorful veggies inside. And now time to assemble the tiffin. First goes the bread pizza pockets. Then I will place some marshmallows, which are kids' favorite. And to add some nutrition, I am adding here some red globe grapes arranged in this cute toothpicks. Here it goes. And now let's move on to our second tiffin recipe packed with lots of colorful veggies. Can you guess the recipe? Well, it's stir-fry bread. So let's get started. So for this recipe, I've taken here 5 slices of sandwich bread, or as per the quantity you want to make. First we will cut them lengthwise and then further into small cubes like this. Next, heat a pan and into it I will add some vegetable oil. Spread the oil on all the sides of the pan, and when the oil is hot we will add some roughly chopped onions. Saute them for a while. And now time to add some veggies. Here goes some beans sliced diagonally, some carrots cut into long strands. Stir them once. Next goes some chopped cabbage, some green peas. And now we will stir the veggies for a few seconds. We will season the veggies with some salt as per taste and a pinch of black pepper. Give this a mix. And now we will cover and cook the veggies on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, remove the lid and our veggies are well cooked by now. At this stage, I will add red, green and yellow bell peppers and some spring onions. I'm adding bell peppers now so as to retain their bright color and crunch. Mix this once. And since we are making stir-fry bread in Oriental style, I'm adding now 1/4 teaspoon of soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of Maggi hot and sweet tomato sauce. You can add any other tomato sauce of your choice. Now mix this once. And now time to add the bread cubes. And very gently we will stir the bread cubes along with the veggies so that they are well coated with the sauce and seasonings. And if you want, you can add instant noodles masala while cooking the veggies or any other seasonings of your choice. But since I've added tomato hot and sweet sauce, this will add a nice flavor besides keeping the bread moist along with the veggies. Finally, I will add some more green spring onions. Give a final mix. I will turn off the flame now and allow this to cool down slightly. And here goes our delicious stir-fry bread loaded with colorful veggies. Do try this quick tiffin recipe and your kids will surely love it. And to add some protein and fiber goes some roasted makhana or foxnuts in the second segment of the tiffin box. And in the third segment goes some apple chunks and red grapes arranged in toothpicks in an interesting way. Overall, this is such a healthy and filling tiffin for kids of any ages. And our third tiffin recipe is loaded veg sandwich made in an interesting way for kids. So let's check out the recipe. So here I have taken 2 medium potatoes which has been boiled and mashed, and now into this I'm adding some chopped onions, some green peas, some grated carrots and some green spring onions. For seasoning, I'll be adding some salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, half teaspoon of oregano and half teaspoon of chili flakes. Adding chili flakes is optional. Now give this a mix. And now we need to saute this. For that, heat a pan and into it goes a small cube of butter. Let the butter melt completely. And into this we'll be adding the seasoned mashed potato and the veggies. Now stir this once. Keep the flame on medium. And now into this go small cubes of paneer or cottage cheese. And on medium flame we will saute them for just 1 to 2 minutes so that the stuffing is well combined with the seasoning and is infused with a nice buttery flavor. Alright, our stuffing is ready now. Next, here I have taken 2 sandwich bread slices, and with the help of a round steel bowl, I will cut them into circle shape like this. And while preparing small kids tiffin, you can be creative and try making different shapes or send fruits and vegetables of different colors. Believe me, kids will not just love what they're eating, but will also learn new things in a fun way. And in the same way, I have made some more bread circles, and now time to make some yummy sandwiches. So first I'm going to apply some veg mayonnaise using a spreader. Apply the mayonnaise generously on both the bread circles. Next we will add the loaded veg stuffing or filling which we had prepared. Now cover it with the other bread circle. Gently press the edges so that they are sealed. And in the same way, we will prepare some more sandwiches. So these are done. Now you can either grill them in a grill pan or a sandwich maker, or toast them in a pan with little oil, which I'm going to do now so that they turn golden brown and crisp. And when the oil is hot, we'll add the bread sandwiches. Keep the flame on medium. After about a minute, we'll flip the bread sandwiches and toast the other side as well. Drizzle a few drops of oil if required to toast the other side golden brown and crisp. And by now, our bread sandwiches are ready, crisp and golden brown from both the sides. I will now cut and show one sandwich, and inside you can see the yummy paneer and colorful stuffing. And to let you know, this is one of my daughter's favorite sandwich recipe, and it's so very yummy and filling as well. Next, here I am placing some strawberry slices arranged in this cute toothpicks. And to add some nutrition, protein and fiber, I'm adding here some nuts like cashews, almonds, raisins and pistachios. And friends, now let's move on to our last tiffin recipe, which is open sandwich. Very cheesy and yummy and a favorite amongst kids. So let's begin. So first we'll make a sandwich spread. For that I have taken here 2 tablespoons of veg mayonnaise, and along with that goes 1 tablespoon of tomato chili sauce. If you want, you can add tomato ketchup also. Now mix this well so that the mayonnaise is well combined with the sauce, and our sandwich spread is ready. Next we'll prepare a delicious topping for the open sandwich. For that, heat a pan and into it goes a small cube of butter. Let the butter melt completely. And into it goes some paneer or cottage cheese cut into small cubes, few sweet corns, red, green and yellow bell peppers, and some chopped onions. And on medium flame we will saute them for just 1 to 2 minutes. Now we'll season the veggies with a pinch of salt as per taste, a pinch of black pepper, and around 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. Mix this once, and our topping for the sandwich is ready. Next, take a bread of your choice and trim the edges. Now generously apply the sandwich spread which we had prepared. Next, add the delicious and colorful topping which we had sauteed. Spread the topping evenly on the bread slice. And now we need to toast this in a greased pan. For that, heat a non-stick pan and grease it with some butter. Now very gently place the bread slice, and I'm adding here half portion of a cheese slice to make the sandwich more yummy and cheesy, and that's why it's kids' favorite. I will now sprinkle a pinch of chili flakes and oregano. That's it, and we'll now cover and cook until the cheese melts. After 1 minute, remove the lid, and our open sandwich looks so very yummy and cheesy. And now time to cut and serve our open sandwich, which tastes so delicious, just like loaded veg pizza. So yes, you can also call this as bread pizza toast. Now very gently place the open sandwich or bread pizza toast in the tiffin box. In the second segment, I will add some boiled sweet corns and peas sauteed in butter and seasoned with salt and pepper. And finally goes some seasonal fruits. I am adding here pineapple chunks arranged in toothpicks to complete the tiffin box. So friends, I hope you will try this quick, easy, delicious as well as healthy tiffin recipes for your kids' lunch box. Also do share your feedbacks. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.